Hello there. Today, we will discuss about the waterfall model. What is waterfall model? Waterfall model is the simplest process model in software development lifecycle. Why is it called waterfall? Simply because the model develops systematically from one phase to another in a waterfall-like motion. When does the waterfall model can be used? Waterfall model can be used when requirements are not changing frequently, application is not complicated, project is short, requirement is clear, technology and tools are not dynamic and is stable. Pros and cons of waterfall model. Simple and easy to use. Each phase has a specific deliverables. Phases are processed and completed one at a time. Suited for smaller projects where requirements are well defined. Error can be fixed only during the phase. High amounts of risk and uncertainty. Poor model for long and ongoing projects. Testing period comes quite late in the development process. Development is often delayed unnecessarily. Now let's talk to our client. Requirement analysis. During this phase, detailed requirements of the software or system to be developed are gathered from the client.
The software should allow the users to withdraw cache.
The developers will take note all the requirements, processes, and analysis that the client wants to their software. System design. In this phase, the developers will decide what technologies will be used before building the software. So, what programming language should we use?
Should we use Oracle for the database or MySQL?
The design process translates requirements into a representation of the software that can be assessed for quality before code generation begins. The design documents must be prepared and stored as a part of software configuration. Implementation. During this phase, developers and programmers starts coding the software. Testing. Once code has been generated, software testing begins. Testing focuses on the logical internals of the software, assuring that all statements have been tested, and on the functional externals, that is, conducting tests to uncover errors and ensure that defined input will produce actual results that agree with required results. Deployment. During this phase, the software puts into production. This means that the product is ready to be used in a real environment by all end users of the product. System maintenance. In this phase, developers may later fix some problems in the system or change or add some features on the system as the client request.
I want to add some more features like generating reports.
Change will occur because errors have been encountered or to accommodate changes in its external environment or customer requires functional or peripheral enhancement. Now we're done discussing the waterfall model.